Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to post in a group on Facebook. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more helpful tutorials. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone. This is your starting point for sharing posts in groups. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once you're in the app, look for the menu button. You'll find it in the top right corner if you're using Android or iOS. Tap on it to open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Switch to your page. This is especially important if you're managing a page and want to post as your page instead of your personal profile. Step 4. Now, click on the text box that says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you'll start creating your post. Step 5. Type your message or content into the post box. Feel free to add a photo, video, or any other media to make your post more engaging. Simply tap on the media options below the text box to upload. Step 6. Once your post is ready, tap on Next in the top right corner of your screen. This takes you to the sharing options. Step 7. From the sharing options, select Share to Facebook Groups. This is where you can choose to post your content in groups. Step 8. Now choose up to 3 groups where you want to share your post. Remember, you can only post in groups that you've already joined. Scroll through the list and tap on the groups you want to include. Step 9. Finally, click on the Post button to share your content with the selected groups. And that's it. Your post is now live in those groups. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.